I have also asked for the creation of 2 brand new subjects, drama, film and theatre studies, and climate action and sustainable development, to be ready for students in network schools beginning 5th year in 2024. Let me now turn to assessment. Having to rely on a single written examination can be very stressful for students. To spread the assessment load, I have decided that one of the papers in Irish and English will be taken at the end of 5th year, starting with students beginning 5th year in 2023. I also want to see oral exams and the music practical performance taking place during the first week of the Easter break of 6th year, in similar fashion to the previously announced Easter 2022 arrangements. But we need to go beyond the rearrangement of present components. I am convinced that we need to get a better balance in the range of ways we assess students' learning. That's why I am asking that all Leaving Certificate subjects will have assessment components additional to the conventional written examinations. These components will also allow for a greater range of student skills and competencies to be assessed, as well as spreading the assessment load for students. I have decided that the additional components will be worth 40% of the total marks. This will be an SEC externally moderated teacher-based form of assessment. This will be designed on a subject-by-subject basis.